is here in Manchester. Quick evening walk before the sun goes down. In nature. Clean air. Just connecting with Mother Earth here at the Root Chakra, Manchester.